What up, guys? JB at Staxx and Packz. We got PYT number 4, Optic Fast Break 2018-19. Luca, Trey, Kobe. Good luck. One auto. You got several different disco parallels and hollow inserts, retro series. After this, I got to take a break, and then I'll be back with some personals. Eli Okabo. Oh, did you pay? Cool, thanks. Miles Turner. Sfee. Kevin Durant, All-Stars for the Warriors. Shy rookie for the Clippers. Nice. We got a red Dennis Schroeder for the Thunder, numbered to 85. Jaren Jackson Jr. rookie for the Grizzlies. Nurkic Disco. Mitchell Robinson, rookie for the Knicks. Yvonne Carter Disco for the Grizzlies. There you go, Derek. Victor Oladipo, Kurux, Chamizi Metu, Jackson rookie, Steph Curry Hearts inserts, Landry Shamet rookie, Blue Devin Booker, that is numbered, is it 8? God, they're so hard to read. 8 out of 50 for the Suns. That's pretty sweet. That's going to go to Patrick Ramsey. Nice hit, Patrick. Jacob Evans rookie. Robin Lopez Disco. Or no, that's Moritz. Moritz Wagner. Tony Parker Red. Zaire Smith. Disco of Klay Thompson for the Warriors. Troy Brown Jr. rookie. Kyrie Irving disco for the Celtics. DeAndre Ayton rookie for the Suns. There's a Tracy McGrady retro. I put the other stack over there first because the auto was like right at the top. I wanted to save the auto for the end. We got a Mo Bamba for the Magic. And our auto is for the Lakers. Kentavious Caldwell-Pope. Fast break auto going to Sylvia Ortiz. We have an insert here of Dwight Howard, Kevin Huerter, and a Mitchell Robinson to 95. 40 of 95. Nice hit, Knicks. Bruce Brown rookie. Manute Bol. And how about a Trae Young rookie? Dennis Rodman, and that's it. I can see that looks like the feeds are jacking up. The replay should be fine. I'm going to go ahead and get that uploaded when I get back. There shouldn't be any problems with the recording, but it looks like the feed right now might be messed up, guys. Apologize. I'll be back in about 15 minutes, and then I'll be doing personals, and I'll get this video uploaded so you can see it if you missed anything on the break.